So that's a pretty cool looking tree back there, isn't it?
Yep, I like it.
Yep.
This tree is the what?
It's the oldest or biggest
Oldest,
live oak tree
yeah.
east of the Mississippi.
This is
They don't know exactly how old it is. They estimate about 300 to 400 years old. But it's a nice big tree.
Yeah, it is.
And
Look
so it's
how
beautiful
old
weather
is it?
today.
Yep.
It's like
Nice
what,
weather.
December 30th, and it's like 72 degrees out here. Perfect day for kissing under the mistletoe, right, honey?
Right. Where is the mistletoe in here?
So we're here at the Angel Oak. It's a very big tree. So this is the last week in December, the 30th, and it's very warm here today. It's supposed to be 72 degrees or so. And there's a whole bunch of people here. A lot busier than I thought. So we definitely don't have the place to ourselves. Maybe because it's a holiday week and the weather's very nice. So I guess I'll go take a tour around the tree. Anna's taking pictures of people. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Wow. It's pretty cool looking though. Look at that. Let's zoom in and get some details. Man, those branches are huge. Look at all the moss and stuff. Ferns growing up there. What do you think, Mom? You like it?
Yeah. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yep. This thing is pretty big around. I got the camera angle wide open to see as much of it as I possibly can.
I don't see this acorn
Nope, I'm sure they probably pick them all up.
in mine.
See, that's a baby one that they have right down there
Yeah.
from 2018.
2018.
Yep.
3 years old.
Look how big around this thing is. Whoa. Look at that. This is kind of a good angle here.
Look, they've got those limbs propped up right there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Well, I'm enjoying the view of the Angel Oak tree here. As you can see, it's very big. But it's also pretty busy, so it's hard to have alone time with the tree, at least today, because it's so busy. But still a lot of fun to come see. I'm gonna walk back and zoom out a little bit, do the manual two-legged zoom, walk in between the branches. You can tell there's a lot of branches that are just on the ground over here. I'm gonna go back and turn the camera around, walk through there. So I'm way back here. And these are branches coming from the tree all the way over here. It's amazing. End of December and look at these leaves still on the tree. I guess it's kind of must be sort of an evergreen tree. Look at that. It's interesting how these trees, the branches kind of dip underground here. These branches look pretty gnarly, don't they? Oops. Pretty cool. Look at this big old branch going underground. Get a lot of people taking selfies with the tree, right?
Yes. Come on, let's go here.
Look at that.
Go.
Way back here. Look at that. Pretty cool. I'm enjoying this. Got a good view from way back here. Look at all those trees and tree branches dipping down underneath the ground here. I'll snap a few pictures. That is pretty cool. Look at this branch here. This branch is about 3 feet off, about 3 feet thick. Just barely hanging onto the ground, above the ground. Going all the way up to the tree. Pretty cool. Maybe just a little less video of it. So it's a pretty popular place to come see. Probably have about 50 people around the tree right now just looking at it. I am impressed. Look at that trunk.
Yeah, my bed would be all the way at the top right there.
Oh, monster.
There's a nice big hole on this side here. Her branch obviously got cut off many years ago. That's the bottom, looking straight up. Just look at these massive branches. These are huge. You can see how big it is compared to my hand. Look at that. They have it anchored up a few points here. So what do you think, honey? You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Nice.
Taking all kinds of pictures, huh?
Mm-hmm. Different angle.
Beautiful. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. All right, I think we're pretty much done here. Spent maybe a good half an hour here. Enjoying the tree. Trying to get lots of pictures. All right, time to go.
Time to go.
Let's go check on Mom.
He was like
Get a view from the park bench.
That's beautiful.
What are we, about 125 feet away? Looks like.